saucy sauce.
Pulled pork sandwiches with some special coleslaw. All right, what are we doing today?
Well, we're going to try to chop up some coleslaw here to make a coleslaw mix. We're going to add a few bell peppers, a couple of onions, and then put together a sauce later on when we get a chance to finish up the chopping process, which will take about maybe 15-20 minutes. Once we get it all put together, we're going to add a little sugar to it to help sweeten it up and let it sit for about a half an hour.
Yeah, nice.
And then once we get that finished up, we'll toss it all together. We'll make up our brine for our seasoning sauce that we're going to put to it, and then we're going to enjoy, sit down and eat it.
Super slaw, and we're going to use it on, what do we got here over here?
What we got?
Oh, we got the pulled pork ready to go, man. We got the sauce. Got some baked potatoes too. All right, hang around, man. So Slasher's chopping up some peppers. Yep. There we go.
Cooking up a coleslaw today. Where'd you find this recipe at? I'm curious.
An old church magazine that was way back in the South Carolina days. Some woman that probably back in the late 1800s, early 1900s, somewhere in that vintage, created it and put it together as a recipe. And I discovered it, I tried it. People that I made it for loved it, took it home, couldn't get enough of it. So I just continue to keep on making it because it comes out so good in the end. It can be used for multiple purposes. Add it to your pulled pork, have it as a side dish, and just take it home.
Oh, wow.
So either way you look at it, it's how it tastes to you for the outcome. So let it be, and it's your choice. So.
Bit master privilege.
All right.
Yeah, all right.
That's it. Stand in line, man.
Yeah.
Here it comes.
You gonna take this?
Good, right?
Yep.
You
You're gonna drink it.
can drink
You're
it.
gonna drink the juice.
Save it for a Vegematic.
Even I drink.
Oh,
Yeah, see?
drinking the juice. There you go.
There you go.
Cheers up.
Do your cold.
All right. Very cool.
Oh, wow.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
The health food's good.
You getting the beard?
Ah, wow.
Get a little in the beard. That's for later.
Yes, very interesting. Very healthy.
Onion, pepper,
Yeah.
cabbage.
Perfect.
So look how fine chopped that is. All right.
Adding 2 cups of sugar. And we give it a quick stir. One cup of apple cider vinegar. 1 cup of good old vegetable oil. Teaspoon of salt. 2 tablespoons of sugar. A good half teaspoon of celery seed. That puts it all together. Then we just put it on the fire over here and we simmer it. So,
And what?
let's get ready and dump it on the coleslaw and mix it all together.
Oh, it smells good.
Starting to come together. It's got to sit in the refrigerator now for a couple hours.
Oh wow.
So
There it is. There it is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There it is.
I say it's time to eat. Oh, are you kidding me?
Sauce. Beautiful. Look at
Pulled
this.
pork is ready.
Perfect.
Side sauce. We even got some baked
Nice.
taters in there. There we go.
This is-
Smells good.
Come on, let's grab our dishes.
I say it's time to eat.
Grab a potato.
Oh. You kidding me? There you go. It's all about the slaw, man. You could put this on a roast beef sandwich too, right?
Double the pork.
Oh,
Double
took
the
that
pork.
baked potato, loaded on that pulled pork
You got that right.
gravy, man.
That's a hot potato.
Yeah,
That's a hot potato.
lay it on, load it on.
Yeah.
It's all about the slaw, right?
That's it. All about the slaw.
Hey, Chef Harvey.
Hey,
Oh,
how are you doing today?
I don't know, but this was fabulous. Great job, man. But I'll tell you what, I think we got to look for some new recipes here, right?
Oh my God, there's quite a few
The
in
book
there.
of good barbecues. What do you think we should be doing next time here? I mean, we've only got about 400 or 500 recipes
Quite a
left.
selection there already
I'll
now.
tell you what, crab cakes look, the drucken clams and shrimp, that looks pretty
that looks
darn
good too. Yeah.
Wild goose breast.
Oh,
I think we,
well, goose sounds great.
yeah,
Great.
man.
Well,
Yeah, we'll pick something out, man. And we'll do it.
We'll give it some competition with this pork dinner.
I'm
That's for
think-
sure.
how about some
There's
alligator,
alligator
man?
tenderloin.
I think alligator have been running through here the
Okay,
last
I
week
guess
or
we can
so,
make a
so I
trip
think
to-
we
make
got
a
it.
trip to Florida. Make a trip to Florida.
You
Yeah.
got it, right.
Yeah,
Whiskey glazed smoked ham. I'm ready.
We'll bring them home
I'm
on the
ready.
airplane. Yeah.
You got it.
That sounds great.
All right.
Wonderful.
So I'll chalk
that's
this up.
fantastic pork.
Man, it's good. Available at a local bookstore near you. You got to check it out. Bam. Yeah, I might want to. This is nice and hot. Look at that. Little pulled pork. Magic sauce. The pile is really good. I got to put some slaw on here, man. Though. Oh, are you kidding? Look at this. Oh man. Are you kidding?
Go.
Well done, man.
First one today.